Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Teddy.
Okay, Teddy. Tell me, how old are you, Teddy?
I'm 6.
6 years old. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, give me a high five. Let's go. Okay, this is the alphabet. I will ask you about some letters. Tell me, please. What letter is this?
D.
What sound has it got? The sound? D.
D.
What letter is this?
J.
J. Sound?
Z.
J. What letter is this?
T.
Sound? What letter is this?
W.
And its sound?
Q.
W. Very nice. Tell me, please, how do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? What letter? T.
T. E. D. D. Y.
T. E. D. D. Y. Write your name, please. Okay, T. E. D. D. Y. Okay, thank you very much, Teddy. Let's move on. There are 3 words. Tell me, what is it?
An.
What is it?
Elephant.
And this is?
Hat.
Okay, tell me, please. There are 3 letters also, H, A, and E. Tell me, please. What letter does ant start with? What's the letter for ant? Letter?
A.
Letter?
A.
Letter A. Okay, what is the first letter for the elephant?
E.
E. Okay, and the first letter for the word hat?
A.
H.
H.
Okay, very nice. What is it?
Fish.
This is?
Car.
And this?
Duck.
Okay, tell me, what letter does fish start with?
F.
F, very good. What about car?
C.
C. And what about the duck?
D.
D. Letter D. Very nice. Okay, tell me please, what is it?
Goat.
Goat. Tell me, how do you spell goat?
C. O. A. T.
Very nice. What is it?
Sun.
How do you spell sun?
S. U. N.
Okay, what is it?
Monkey.
How do you spell monkey?
M. O. N. K. E. Y.
That's very nice. Okay, now you're going to write the words. Okay, there are 3 words. What is it? Jet.
Jet.
This is?
Ben.
Bear. And this is?
Fox.
Fox. Write these 3 words, please. Jet, bear, and fox. J. E. T. Okay. Now the word bear. B. E. E. A. R. R, not O. R. Letter R here. Okay. Okay, and the last one, the word fox. F. O. X. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, Teddy. Give me a high five. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.